Okay, so let's take another question. तो क्या क्वेश्चन दिया जाए? जो कंजम्पशन की बात हम लोगों ने कर ली है, तो ये सारी बातें ऐसा नहीं कि कर ली है. The thing is that we have a tendency to move away from these conversations because pleasure is always available, है ना, and is available in huge amount and is almost a culture, है ना. So at least for this lifetime, for this generation, no matter where they are living, most likely they are not very rich. Most of the individuals in this world, whether it be living in India, in any district, for that matter, any state, village, city, and nation, they are not very rich. They are certainly very much disorderly. They are living in almost a hell, in a sense. So obviously that is not a jungle, but it's a very subtle jungle then. So इस process में pleasure, consumption, confusion, violence, hate, anger, relationships, action, desire, order, disorder, immensity, peace, um, movement of thought, thinking, control. These are ever relevant themes. These are themes which are relevant to your life on a daily basis. Okay. Not even a single day is there when these things are actually not relevant. If you think so, you are badly mistaken and you are certainly headed in a very, very bad state of affairs. And that too very soon, most likely, maybe 3 years, 5 years, or in 10 years, it will be extreme help for you if you are avoiding these kind of conversations or are living away from these conversations. ठीक है. So ऐसा नहीं है कि बात कर ली है, and we will have to continuously talk about these things because unless until it becomes a culture, unless until it becomes so ingrained that we become furious as if someone snatches money from our pockets, we are gonna beat that person to death if it is possible for us to do. In the same way, if someone is not talking about these things, the same fury, the same anger has to be there. ठीक है. सो नथिंग इज कि हाँ ये बात कर ली है. इट हैज टू बी रिपीटेडली डन. इट इज वे मोर लेस देन इट शुड बी डन. ठीक है. सो उस चीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए लेट्स प्रोसीड. तो क्या सवाल दिया जाए? कंजम्पशन पे तो ले लिया है. कंफ्यूजन. द स्लोनेस हैव एनी वैल्यू इन लाइफ? हैव एनी वैल्यू इन योर लाइफ? क्वेश्चन ही एक्चुअली एक सेंस में गलत है, गलत तरीके से फ्रेम्ड है ना. मैं बताता हूँ उसमें क्या है दिक्कत कि when you are saying slow, you are saying that speed is a bad thing. That is to say that no matter whatever you do, you only do slow. Do not even run fast between the wickets. है ना. और है ना, do not even sprint. एक सेंस में बता रहा हूँ. इसका एक जो चोर दरवाजा इसमें रह सकता है ना. स्लोनेस इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कैसे कहूँ इस चीज को. वंस द डायरेक्शन इज क्लियर, डायरेक्शन क्या, वंस देयर इज रिदम होता है ना. देयर इज अ रिदम. इस रिदम में देयर आर फेसेस ऑफ स्लोनेस एंड देयर आर फेसेस ऑफ स्पीड. ठीक है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि does slowness have any in life? Yes, slowness does have extreme value in life, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि slowness only have value, speed has no value. ऐसा नहीं है ना. रिदम की जब मैं बात करता हूँ सेंस में, it has got speed and it also has got slowness as well. Its ability to slow down, है ना. When slowing down is actually also an option. When slowing down is a actionable option, है ना. That is when you are free. Otherwise तो फिर इसका मतलब ये है कि someone else is controlling you ना. और वो he is driven by some sort of desire. और उससे वो जल्दी चाहिए जितना जल्दी हो सके उस प्रोसेस में, वो आपको जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना कह रहा है कि चीज़ों को जल्दी करो उस प्रोसेस में, है ना? देयर इज़ स्पीड इन योर लाइफ, देयर इज़ नॉट रेस्ट इनफ, देयर इज़ नॉट स्लोइंग डाउन, यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लो डाउन बिकॉज़ इफ यू वांट टू स्लो डाउन, ही विल से गो अवे, है ना? आई वांट थिंग्स वेरी फास्ट। सो यू डोंट हैव अ स्लोइंग डाउन ऑप्शन अदर देन अनलेस अंटिल, है ना, यू लीव दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और अगर पूरी इंडस्ट्री में ही, पूरी इकोनॉमी में ही, हर तरह की जॉब में ही ऐसा सीन है ना? देन the thing is very much problematic and the society has to be changed, ठीक है? बट उस प्रोसेस में ऐसा नहीं है ना? इफ सोसाइटी इज लिविंग सच ए पेस, इट विल हैव a lot of sorrow, a lot of problems, and in that process, if they do really effectively want solution of those problems, creating the option of slowing down from time to time is the only option, only real solution. And they can spend a lot of money, but those who are serious, which will always be in a society, any given society, district or state or nation or world, obviously have to be there. So, in that sense, if you uh, are willing to leave a job, or in a situation where you are forced to go on only on speed and never really slow down, then I guess. If you leave such a situation, sooner or later, if you have good understanding, you must be finding yourself in a place where you can act with rhythm, not only speed, also but also with slowness from time to time. ठीक है? So slowness does have a value. The thing is कि speed, behind the speed is uh, someone else's desire, which is obviously most likely in your job scenario. ठीक है? और डिजायर तो अल्टीमेटली फिर प्लेजर ही होती है, और प्लेजर हैज नो लिमिट एज सच। और मोस्ट लाइकली ये जो भी पर्सन होगा, है ना, मे बी मोस्ट लाइकली योर बॉस और मैनेजर, थिंग्स लाइक दैट, उसमें क्या होगा कि ही मस्ट नॉट बी हैविंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट इनर एक्सपीरियंस, एंड ही also most likely will be having more external experience than you. In that process he is able to exert more control on you तो उस process में, but if you try to increase only your external experience, then also will you will not be able to do that. You will only feel like replacing him, you will ultimately become like him, and in that process of only trying to increase external experience and not इनर एक्सपीरियंस, तो उस प्रोसेस में सबसे पहले आप अगर ऐसे कंडीशन में आपको पा रहे हैं, आप अपने को पाते हैं, तो मोस्ट लाइकली द थिंग इज कि आप में और उसमें दोनों में ही इनर एक्सपीरियंस की कमी है, ठीक है? बट क्योंकि अब आप में ही कमी है, तो फिर उसके अंदर आप, है ना, कैसे ही करेंगे? देन you will be trying to beat him by gaining more external experience, which takes time, obviously takes time, and also it's not the real solution as well. Real solution is somewhere where you have decent external experience to leave that place, and also decent inner understanding to create a space where slowness is also an option. And I know थोड़ा सा फास्ट हो गया होगा, थोड़ा सा मे बी वेग भी हो गया होगा, but if you are going through such a situation, you must be finding some value in this whole discussion. It must have opened a space which was probably sinking a lot in your own mind and heart and life as well, also conversations as well, and especially this distinction that what kind of solution you will be thinking if you are dealing with such a situation. So इस process में again इस psychological discussions जो है उनका बहुत मैटर कर जाता है। और अगेन, है ना, इवन दिस क्वेश्चन इज अल्टीमेटली कमिंग फ्रॉम a better understanding of pleasure, which is the creation of disorder as well, which we most likely find ourselves into in the economy as well as society and things like that. ठीक है? सोल्यूशन घुमा फिरा के वही है हर जगह ही, कि इनर एक्सपीरियंस को आप बढ़ाइए, बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक्सटर्नल एक्सपीरियंस को अवॉइड कर दीजिए, है ना? बी माइंडफुल ऑफ द फैक्ट। तो yes, slowness have any value in life? Yes, it is a very integral part of life, है ना? जो मशीन होती है, you can ask that machine to work only with speed, है ना? You can think in terms of efficiency in that, but when it comes to humans, they need to slow down, है ना? Otherwise, you are totally controlling them, and you can only control the other person only when the other person either have fear or pleasure in their mind and heart, which are nothing else but the result of lack of inner experience or lack of proper education about inner experience or psychological structure or structure of thought. Presence of fear and pleasure only will make the other person uh, willing to do all of these things. तो ऐसा है सिनेरियो, ठीक है? आई गेस मैं इसको ज्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचना चाहूंगा, इतना बहुत है।